Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Basket.
We just bought this small farm and we are going to make it into our dream home.
Our forever home. We hope that you guys will like, subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell so you get weekly updates on our vlog. So join us as we begin flipping the farm. Hey you guys, so it is Tuesday. Yes, I'm driving and trying this at the same time. Don't come at me, okay? It is Tuesday. No, oh my goodness, it's Monday. My days are so messed up. But we have not got to work at the farm as much as we would like to have over the last couple of days, just because of some other pressing life issues that are going on right now. Some things we have to take care of. But you guys, our house that we currently live in, which is amazing, by the way. We've been so blessed throughout our life. But that house that we currently live in is beautiful. Maybe you've watched some of my other videos. I have a farmhouse tour. I don't remember the exact name of it. But anyways, if you go back into my videos and maybe to a playlist, you can see different things that we've done to our house to get it really fixed up. And we continually work on it because, you know, we knew this day would be coming to sell our house. We just had no idea when. We leave that up to God. He's totally our pilot, you know. I am gonna drop by the farm real quick, by the way. I feel like I'm rambling a lot, but what I'm trying to say is there are little things at our own house that we still have to get in order. Like I've been painting our master bath, trying to, you know, just get little things done. Like we have a blind that's broken that's needed to be replaced for a very long time and it's just been put off. So the little things, oh my wow, the little things. So trying to get some of those things taken care of today. And I really would like to, you know, just get our master bath ready. I've been wanting to do this for a while and we just put it off. You know how those home projects go. So running to our favorite paint store, which is Spectrum Paint, to grab paint. Oh, give you a little update on my finger. I actually could put my wedding band on today and I might regret that later because my knuckle's gonna probably swell, but okay. Had a lot of people ask. I don't think it's broken because I can do this, but it's still swollen and I can't make like a true fist. So if anybody, if I was trying to throw punches right now, I'd be in a lot of trouble. So anyways, I am on my way to get paint, to get light switch covers, outlet covers, things like that, that just little things that need to be taken care of. Let me flip the camera around here and show you the farm today. Okay, so nothing has changed in the last few days. I'm just sitting in my car being lazy. I don't want to get out. It's kind of cold and windy. We still have that very large amount of brush to burn that came from that big tree right over there. We have the plumbers coming back this week to get started. We have another engineer coming and things are just starting to move along and we are really excited. So we'll see you soon out here, or I may let you in on some of the work that I'm doing currently at our house. Little updates. All right, so here you go. This was our bathroom, master bath before. It was painted like a dark brown and had these floor tiles from 1993. And so I replaced the floor tiles with this marbled look. It's really pretty. I've used these before and they hold up really well. And then I went with Revere Pewter throughout and I love it so much. It just really freshened it all up. So I told you yesterday that the engineer was coming today and he is here. And oh my goodness, I'm really excited to hear his report. He's just taking some measurements outside the house. I didn't get any pictures of him inside, but it's all going to be so exciting, I know. Okay, you guys, I am so flippin' excited. I was literally just jumping up and down because the engineer, Chad, with AEI, just gave us the most exciting news. So many people have questioned like, why don't you just bulldoze this place and start over? No, you guys, we have a dream and we're gonna make it come true, and Chad just confirmed that everything that we want to do to this place can be done. He was just like really excited about what we want to do as well. He's like, you guys have an amazing place here, and this is gonna be so beautiful when it's finished. So yeah, visions, dreams, gonna happen. Oh, I literally did jump up and down, and I probably would have hugged the guy, but that might have been a little inappropriate because Mike's not here. But alrighty, so another exciting thing is Kelly got our floor plans for the spare bath / mudroom, my pantry, Mike's office, and our utility closet all drawn up. It just becomes more and more real every time I see these plans.
Hey guys, wanted to update you a little bit on this week. I know Karen has been on the vlog way more than I have. I had to go down to visit my mom. She had an emergency surgery, and so spent a lot of time there with my sister and her caregiver. So just wanted to kind of update you on that part. And I know we have more talking than normal and not things that you get to watch, but I know she's updated you in regards to the engineer coming out, and that was some really exciting news. So that means we get to do some pretty good building and structure support, and but everything that we want to do is going to happen. So that's good news.
The plumber did not get to come back out this week, and they had crazy things happening. So it actually worked out really well because we have our grandbaby this weekend. He's currently sleeping, so yeah, it's just exciting to get to spend some time with him. So it worked out really well.
Yeah, I mean, that matters more than anything else anyway. So spending time with family is super important. So we'll get back to getting out to the farm and doing some extra things this coming week. Excited to probably put some walls in, and we've got to get some windows. We know what sizes to cut into the wall and also to frame up. So keep watching, and thank you so much for your support, and we will see you next week.
See you next week.
Thanks again for watching, you guys. We do hope that you will remember to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.